Good day, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ademola Badmus. If this is your first time, please do not forget to like and subscribe. So in this video, we shall continue with our classes, and what we are going to do in this class is basically we are going to try to automate some actions, and that will be our guiding principle towards our TDD and our BDD classes. So let us begin. So we get right into it. In the last class, we stopped here. So if you're a first-time user of PyCharm, you get to see tips every time you restart your PyCharm, and you can decide not to see that tip again by checking this box and closing it. So anytime you restart your PyCharm, it won't come up again, and that's about it. So in this video, like I said, we are going to get into this, and we are going to probably do an action where we need to select and where we need to over an element, and from there we need to probably come and select something. So this is what we're going to try to do. So manually we come to men's, then we come to tops, and men's tops, then probably hoodies. So I like hoodies, so let's pick hoodies. So this is what we're going to do, and the next thing we'll do after that is we are going to scroll down. Okay, so we are going to scroll down to the bottom of the page, and we are going to change this to 36 first, right? So when we change it to 36, we are going to scroll down again, pick the last one. So we'll select this last one. Once we've selected it, looks like a long thing that we're going to do, then we add it to cart. Or we have to, before we add to cart, we have to pick a size. So we select a size, extra large, and we probably select a color too. Yes, then we add to cart. So once it's added to cart, we are going to move into the cart, and we are going to click on proceed to checkout, and we are going to fill all of this. Let me try to fill something into it. Cool. Let's just try to do this. We don't need to fill company, but the required fields you are going to fill, center, and the city. What city should we use? Lagos. We use something in Lagos. Then this is state and province. Oh, well, we won't just, let's just pick one. Let's pick California, because I've heard a song about California. So we say CA2342 or something like that. Let it be. Okay, so maybe we'll just change the country first. Let's use United Kingdom. Let's use Nigeria. Let's use Nigeria. So we've picked Nigeria, and zip code in Nigeria is 23401. We don't need to fill the states. Then phone number, just do +234. There's a tooltip here that will tell us how to use it for delivery questions. Okay, for 234 811. How many ones do we need now? I think, yeah. Then we click on next. So this is it, and we place order. Now, is it going to ask us for payment? Okay, so there is nothing to add as payment. So this is the journey we are going to go through. So in the next video, we are going to start all of this. So at first, our first approach is to just do everything all at once. Then we begin to introduce page object modeling. We will recreate everything that we're going to do. We'll create it into a class. We'll have it into a class file. What am I saying here? I'm saying that we are going to have this run for the first attempt. Then in subsequent classes, we will break everything that we've done here. We'll break it down into classes so we can be able to use some steps. Okay. Then after we've broken it down into classes, we will now introduce TDD. Then after we introduce TDD, then we'll move on to BDD. So thank you for getting this far with me, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.